Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Open your channel page now. Once there, click your avatar or the channel menu to reveal channel settings. You want to access Edit Profile because that's where the display name lives. Don't skip this. Make sure you're using the account that owns the channel, since only owners can rename. If you're on mobile, tap the three-dot menu. On desktop, use the gear icon. Now that settings are visible, move to the name field to edit it. You've reached the name field. Type your new channel name deliberately. Explain why. Staying within character limits prevents rejection, and avoiding trademarked or restricted words reduces moderation delays. Once you type, review the preview to see how it appears on videos and search results. Then click Save or Confirm. This triggers Rumble's update process. If there's a confirmation dialog or email step, complete it promptly. After saving, give the system a moment to propagate the change across your channel and listings. Once saved, verify the change by checking your channel page, recent video listings, and search results. This ensures consistent branding. If the new name doesn't appear, clear your browser cache, reload, or try another device. Sometimes caching delays visibility. If the platform rejects the name due to policy, revise it to comply, then resubmit. And if you hit technical errors or persistent rejection, contact Rumble support with screenshots and timestamps so they can resolve propagation or moderation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.